In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Changelly. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to changelly.com, or of course you can do this on your mobile app as well. And then once you're in here, first you will see this little box in the middle of your screen. If you want to buy USDT, click on buy over here, which is going to be the second tab. And then here you want to basically select what you want to pay with. So for example, if it's going to be euros, you can leave it as euros, but of course you can do USD, Great British Pound, Canadian dollar, whatever you want to do. Okay, so for this instance we're just going to do euros, and then when it says you get over here, you have to find USDT. Now the way you do this, you want to type in USDT, and then here you have different USDTs on different chains. So you have the Tron chain, Ethereum chain, Binance Smart chain, Solana chain, etc. So you have to select one you would actually like to get. So for example, for me, I'm gonna go with the Ethereum chain right now, and you want to click on that, and here you will see how much you will get for this amount of euros or your currency that you spend. Okay, so here you'll get this much Ethereum, Ethereum on the USDT on the Ethereum chain. Okay, so once you've done this, you have to select how much you want to pay and how you want to pay. So the way you do this is you go over here where it says view all offers, and then here basically you're going to see different offers. Now this one is optimal, however you will have to of course select one of these. Now if you don't want to go with the optimal one, you're free to select any different one over here, but the rates are a bit different and you'll have to pay a different amount based off which one you select. As you can see, some of them are a bit cheaper, some of them are a bit more expensive. Now you can of course select at the very top over here what you're looking for, and then once you do that, once you've chosen your offer, you want to click on that offer and it's going to basically get converted down here. Now once you see all this, in case you have a promo code, you can click over here and you can enter that in. I don't have it right now. And then the next step would be to click on this button which says next step, and then you'll have to basically just paste in your destination address. Now I already have my address over here. I just typed it in earlier, so you can see your transaction details over here. You'll see how much you will get. Okay, so this is how much USDT you will get over here, and then you have to paste in your destination address. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up my Trust wallet over here because that's the one I use. Of course you can use whatever one you want, and I'm gonna go ahead, look for USDT on the Ethereum chain, and then I'm going to click on receive, and then this is going to be my receiving address. I'm going to press copy and I'm going to paste it in here. So as you can see, everything works well. And now in case you don't have a wallet yet for your crypto, for your USDT, you can just click over here and create one to get started. You can basically get this Alice Bob wallet by scanning this QR code, and then you can create one, or you are free to of course create any wallet on any different website. Now once you've done that, click on next step, and here it's going to direct you to a separate website. Now this is going to be the website of your payment. For example, if you chose to pay with PayPal, you're going to be directed to PayPal. If you chose anything different, you'll be directed to their website. But for me, I basically chose this WIRT, or whatever that's called, payment provider. And then here I will have to put in my mobile phone number, and then I'll have to confirm it via a code. And after this, I'll have to put in my payment details, and then I'll be good to go. I'll be simply able to pay and then receive my crypto to this very address over here, which is listed down below. So that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.